Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to TN by Canada. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to properly maintain your drive chain system on your e-bike.
TNEbike.com.
And as you guys can see, I have the e-bike with me here and with the drive chain system. So the drive chain system gonna include chain, the cassette and the derailleur. In order to properly clean it, you're gonna need the degreaser, or if you don't have the degreaser, you can also use the alcohol that you have at home. So just spray it like this, spray over the cassette. Also make sure you spray the chain as well, and you see the wheel here, you spray on it like this. Okay, and then you have the brush here. Just brush this, brush off all the dirty part on the drive chain and the cassette. Okay, and you use the cloth, you wipe it down. Make sure to clean this as well. Here, clean this part as well. Then for the chain, you can spray alcohol on the cloth, and then just do it like this and rotate the pedal slowly. Make sure you clean the chain with all the connection. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Okay, so now it's clean. And wipe the derailleur as well here. After you make sure that everything is clean, everything is in good condition, so move to the lubricate part. The rule is whatever is moving, you're gonna put the lube on it. Okay, you're gonna start first with the chain here. So to lube the chain, you're gonna do like this, just slightly press the bottle, and at the same time just slowly rotate the pedal like this. Okay, make sure you get all the connection on the chain here. Okay, so now all the connection is looped, and then you can use the loop, and you're gonna look for the wheel here. So it's moving, right? So the rule, like I said, if it's moving, you put the loop on it. Put the loop on this thing here, and it's also have the wheel on the top here as well. Put it on. Okay, and you can also put some loop on the derailleur. You see, this is the connection. Just put the loop on it. Put the loop on it here as well. Here as well. And here as well. Okay, and just hit the wheel again. And then the last part is whatever is seated. Just wipe it off. Chain like that. And so that's how you properly maintain your drive chain system. And if you like this video, just comment below and let me know so I can make more video like this. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good one, guys.